Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Do you know what function can give us multiple results for the same lookup value? If not, then today's video is going to be a super useful video for you. We have a data set here which basically has details about country, product category, product and sales. If we want to get all the line items which are related to USA, as shown here in the highlighted cell, which formula or which function are we going to use? Do you use XLOOKUP? Do you use VLOOKUP? Do you use match and index function? Which one you are going to use? If you are using anything else from these functions, please feel free to type that in the comment box. And if you are thinking any one of these will work, then it is not. For example, if you see here, I have used VLOOKUP function to get the data. What it does is it will look up for the country USA and gives the results based on that. But if you observe, the data that you are getting in row number 3 and row number 4 are same, right? So this is one of the disadvantage or one of the limitation of using VLOOKUP. It will always give you the first value. If you want to learn how to use VLOOKUP, or if you want to understand in what situations VLOOKUP doesn't work, then please click the I button and the link will open that will take you to the relevant videos. Okay, so if you're using XLOOKUP or match and index also, the result that you would be getting is same. So the conclusion is VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP and match and index won't work in this case. Then which function will give us all the relevant rows related to USA? So that function in Excel is called filter function. What it is going to do is it is going to filter on the country and provides the details that you are looking for. In this example, we want to filter based on USA and we want to have the country, product category, product and sales details related to USA, right? So how do we get that using filter function? Let us try it. Is equal to filter, open bracket, then it asks for selection of array, right? So let us select the entire table, comma. Now it asks for what to include. By include, what we mean here is what to look up for and from where to. Okay, so what are we trying to look up? We are trying to look up USA from the country column. So let's select country column is equal to, let's type USA manually. Since USA is in text format, we are putting this in double quotes. Close bracket, hit enter. Once you hit enter, you see the magic. Whatever is related to USA, everything is getting appeared here. If you have many countries, then it will be a tedious task to go to a formula and change it as and when it is needed, right? So let's make it little dynamic. Instead of USA, let's provide the cell reference. Specific to this example, I am selecting H1 cell where you will have to input the country name. Right now it is USA, but you can change it later as and when you want to. Hit enter. Still the result is same, isn't it? Let's check whether our formula is working correctly or not. Instead of USA, let's select India and hit enter. The formula exactly works the way we want it, right? That's it for today, friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel so that you will get such Excel tips and tricks on a continuous basis. Until my next video, happy learning!